Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know so this is the Skilla, you see it? Now, I two things really and truly hit me when I can't believe. When I see on social media, I just say it to you see me? Now, the first one when I really and truly I mention because it's just a quick and short one, you see me? Now, Gyptian find a Caucasian girlfriend. You see me? People that call him white girl. But for some reason, Gyptian and his girlfriend are come under a whole lot of scrutiny. People calling Gyptian a sellout. You see me? No. You see me? Because what I just not understand is that you know, every man have them pick for your wife. You see me? I say, but really and truly, it's like, I don't know, it's like people just look on it as a sellout for the fact that Gyptian is with a white girl. I thought me see a one, you see me? But anyways, the artist said him could care less what anybody wants to say. Him happy with the girlfriend we have, and him in love, and that's where I stay. That are the thing. Now, the second thing what really and truly will hit me now is that Amelia Sewell, which is known as Milk, said this on the Shadika Diaram show, right? Said that she has been Bounty Killer's side chick for 7 years. That really interesting, you see me? And during that 7 years, her competition, as she said, was what's her name? D'Angel. You see it? So even though, because Milk can make it clear, so even though Bounty Killer had D'Angel as a wife and she was a side chick, he was still seeing other women. You see it? And she make sure, so she stated out, say, as much as wife there at home is like there's always some problem, and she was the comfort zone, and even though she was a side chick, she said Bounty Killer never stay far from her and always give her the attention and all these things. You see me? So at them little thing then, I go on right now on social media. You see me? I say, yeah. If you really and truly add up certain things and look on certain things, you can see where the reaction comes from every little action. You see me? I say, but you don't know the thing already. I don't go to say to know where I say hit on social media big time and I go on to you see me? But anyways, I don't know. People, when I tell you these things, just let me know what you think. You see me? I say, and don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and stay up to date. And my name is Skilla, and this way just see the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself, you know. You see it?